Hello, welcome to Math Success in 20 minutes a day and Master Mathematics in 20 minutes a day. In this set of videos, we'll be dealing with probability. And we'll start by first dealing with what you can expect in this set of videos. At the end of this module, which is comprised of a set of videos and interactive quizzes, you should be able to better understand how to classify probabilities using words such as certain, likely, unlikely, impossible, and illustrate probabilities on a probability line. You'll be able to calculate simple probabilities. For example, at the toss of a coin, or at the roll of a die, or using a spinner. At the end of this module, you should be confident in determining the probability of an outcome when all possibilities are equally likely to occur. Now, that may sound as a lot, right? But it's very, very simple. On your screen, you see a die. And when I toss this die has 6 faces. And on each face, it's numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So when we talk about probability of getting a 6, we're talking about the likelihood of getting a 6 when I roll the die. So I'll roll this die. What do you think? Do I get a 6 on the first roll? Let's see. I got a 4. Let's roll the die one more time. I got a 1. So out of 2 rolls, I haven't gotten a 6. I got a 1 and a 4, I think. Roll again. I got another 1. Got a 3. I got a 4. I haven't gotten a 6 yet. Another 4. I've rolled this die 6 times and I haven't gotten a 6. At the end of this video, you learn how to calculate the probability or the likelihood of getting a 6 when you roll a die. Out of 6 rolls, you should be able to get a 6 appearing at least once. Now with the spinner, there are 4 different colors: red, white, blue, and green. What is the likelihood when I spin this spinner? What is the probability or the likelihood of me getting a green, that the spinner lands on the green? Let's see. Let's spin that spinner. Spin it once. I don't get a green. I got a white. Let's spin it one more time. I got a blue, I haven't gotten a green, and so on. So probability deals with the likelihood of an event occurring or an outcome occurring. And you learn about how to express that. Now let's look at the probability of this die here. Has 10 faces. This one has 6. 10 faces. When you spin it, what happens? You get a 7, 5, that, and more. So you learn about that and how to write down and calculate the probability of an event occurring. So look forward to some very interesting